Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Lamborghini Urus. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle, as it needs to be in close proximity to function. Next, confirm that the gear selector is in the park position for safety. Then, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your foot. These initial steps are crucial for preparing your super SUV for ignition. With the initial checks complete, it's time to bring the powerful V8 engine to life. On the center console, you will find the distinctive red engine start and stop button. Gently lift the protective red cover to reveal the button underneath. Then, with your foot still on the brake, press the illuminated start button. You will hear the engine roar to life, signaling it's ready. Once the engine is running, you can select your preferred driving experience using the Anima selector, located on the center console. This intuitive control allows you to rotate and choose from various modes like Strada for comfortable cruising, Sport for dynamic driving, or Corsa for track-focused performance. There are also specialized off-road modes such as Terra and Sabia, tailoring the Urus to any adventure. To get moving, engage a gear using the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Pull the right paddle shifter towards you to select drive, or the middle paddle for reverse. If the electronic parking brake is active, simply press the brake pedal and release the parking brake button. Now you are ready to experience the exhilarating performance of your Lamborghini Urus on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.